अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Again, we're gonna increase the intensity slowly. So slow. 30 seconds. Warming up. High knees. You can go slow like this. You can go slow. And once you get the form right, you can go faster. Everybody, hands prayer position. And go slow and controlled. Two out, two up. Come on. Out. And up, come on, two up, and up, come on. Wider than shoulder width. Twist, go down, come up, slowly, go on to the other side. Go down, come up to center. Always keep your core tight. Go down. Go to the pipe, to the push-up, come up. Go into the plank position again. Go to the pipe, to the push-up, and go to the beat. Do the push-up. Go to the V. Come on, Nikki. Come on, Nojo. Stay there. Just 5 more steps. Come on. This is the last move. Come on, stay with me. 30-second move. Come on. Push yourself. Just open up your chest muscles. This is just. Put it down. Push up. And down. Go down. Come up. Go down, come up slowly. On the 4 count, you go down and come up slow on the 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Focus on the diamond. Focus like this and go down. Come up. Go down. Come up. Go down. Come up. Go down. Come up. We're working on the biceps, we're working on the triceps, and do the punches. Come on. Push yourself, guys. Push yourself. Come on. You can do this. Do this for the kicks on the left. Kick. Come on, go down and kick. Kick those excuses out. Kick, push, push, push. Come on. Go down. I'm with you. I know you can do it. And go back on the lunge. Down and back. Down and back. Come on, push. Come on. On the right. If you fumble, no problem. Even the biggest people fumble. Great thing is, they come back. Child pose. On a child pose, and come into the plank. You're gonna go in child pose again. Come in plank. Go downward dog. Everybody together. Heels touching the floor. The heels are touching the floor. And you go into the plank again. Go back. Head to toe straight line. Elbow and shoulder one line. Keeping your core tight, tightening up your glutes. Everybody together. All the people right there at home. Stay there in 5 seconds. You can either go onto your right side or onto your left side. No problem. 30 seconds hold. Good oblique. Working on the core muscles. Everything to my right. So I'll do it on the left side. If you guys have started on the left, you can go onto your right side in 5 seconds. 6. Come on, come on, come on. Your fist width between chin and chest. 45 degrees. You can go onto the modifier. Like Chanvi is doing modifier.